help support my channel. I have merch with terrible dinosaur puns on it, and I also have a Patreon where I have giveaways every 4 months.
Kino, what's here? What made it? What's this? What's this? What's this? Raiden, what's this? What's this? What's in the box? Do you know? Do you know, Raiden? What's in the box?
Well guys, do I have something exciting for you all. This has been waiting to come to me since April, so it has taken so long due to, I think everyone's calling it the Voldemort disease. Well, the thing that's happening in 2020 put this on so much hold, and it took so long to get to me. So what this is I traded with the amazing artist Hikijin. She is one of my all-time favorite artists. I'm still boggled that she even wanted to trade with me. I already own one of her pieces, which was like a dream come true for me. That beautiful, I don't know if you can see it, there is a Dilophosaur in that cupboard from Jurassic Park that she made. Absolutely stunning. If not, I'll insert a picture here. But she decided to trade with me, and my piece got to her, but unfortunately she couldn't post hers because where she lives decided to close its post office to posting out of her country due to the Voldemort disease. So yes, we've been waiting since April, and it got to the point where her post office opened again, but it didn't open to posting to where I live, which is Australia, which is mildly frustrating. So that's when this beautiful Marco and Sora Arts came in and just offered to have the parcel sent to them in the UK because Hikijin's country was still sending to the UK, and the UK just so happens to still send to Australia. So what Hikijin ended up having to do was, yes, post to Marco, and Marco then posted to me. So it's taken almost a year for this package to get to me. And it's finally here, and I'm so excited. I think everyone on the internet has been like just frothing at the mouth over this beautiful, amazing piece Hikijin made, and I just can't believe I'm the owner. So how about I hurry the F up and actually open the box, shall we? Oh, sorry, Kino. I swacked you, didn't I? I'm sorry. Okay. More paper. Oh, that's not just paper. What is this? Thought you could try these. Ooh. Thank you, Marco Sora. This is going to be something yummy. Okay, so open that later. That's it. More paper. Paper. Ooh. So, this is the box Hikijin actually sent, and the post office, in loving fashion, destroyed the box, so Marco had to repack it. Ooh, hang on. I think I know what this is. This is another gift from Marco. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get this out of one box. Bye-bye. Yeet. Okay, so far we got this, and a whole lot of paper that can also be yeeted. Kino, you gonna help me open these up? Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so I've opened the box, and apart from these cute little beans here, Marco, thank you. So those wondering, I do use Milliput to do my customizations, and Marco has been a fantastic friend and sent me a whole bunch of these. I'm gonna have to find you something epic in return in our next, well, my next parcel back to you with Australia goodies. But what Marco's also done is sent me this, yes, it's a Harry Potter. Okay, let's get into this box. So this one is from Hikijin. So this is the parcel that had to go the roundabout way to get to me. looks like she sent me some goodies, because we do, apart from Marco as well as Hikijin, we do food trades with each other. So I send them Australian goodies, they send me goodies from their country. Looks like she sent me a bunch of yummies from her country. I'm excited for that. But that's not what we're digging for. What have we got here? What's this? What is this? Photo inside. I wonder if that's the signed... Yes, it is. It's a signed photo from Hikijin. It's herself. So I won't show off the face because I haven't got permission from her to show her face online, and I don't know whether she actually has yet. But that's the piece I made her, and when I do art trades with people, I always request a signed photo back of them with the artwork because I'm a bit of a collector maniac and I like to collect memories. So, thank you, Hikijin. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, let's keep digging, There's more stuff in this box and we still haven't found the piece of resistance. Oh, would you stay up, Flap? Seriously, we're gonna have a bit of a dispute here. Oh, hello, what are you? Oh, snacks. Keeney, they're snacks. Not for you snacks, but they're snacks. Pat the Ray Dog. That's really cool. Thank you, Iggy. Okay, alright. Enough of this nonsense. Time to yeet that away. Time to actually get into... Oh, we have a letter too. Time to actually get in what we're all here to see. Okay, let's get this open. Okay. Look at that beauty. Okay, let me get the bubble wrap off its tail, feet and head, and let's have a look at it at the review table, shall we? You gonna come too, Kenny? Or are you done? Okay, so it's out of the box now, and just look at this beauty. Isn't this just a masterpiece? And that's my beautiful rooster outside. Sorry about that. Just look at this guy. So this guy is of course made by Hikijin Creatures, and she is the top of her game when it comes to artist creatures. Just look at this guy. So apart from it being a masterpiece just standing stagnant with no pose to it, this guy is also poseable. So I could of course pose him however I want and see fit. I can even make his tail look broken if I wanted. So of course his legs are poseable too, and so are his arms. I believe he has a ball joint running down for his spine and then copper wire for his limbs. And then at the same time we have the amazing poseable mouth. How cool is that? So I'll try and get my camera to focus on the mouth for you so you can see inside. All that beautiful detail in there. Just beautiful. So I'll get the face nice and close up for you guys. Just how gorgeous is this guy? This is why Hikijin is one of my favorites, if not the favorite artist of mine. Her work is absolutely astounding, phenomenal. And I own 3 of her pieces now, but this guy has definitely taken my faves. I can't believe I'm the proud owner of this one-of-a-kind, stunning Hyper Carno. I'll leave Hikijin's links all down below. Trust me, follow her. Her work is amazing. Like, look at this guy. This guy is going to be amazing for photos. Wow. So now I own 2 Hyper Carnos made by her. I own the Chibi Hyper Carno and I own this guy. And the third piece I own of hers is the Dilophosaur, so I'll show pictures all across the screen of that. But yes. Oh my god. So I'll try and get some detailed photos here just for anyone who's interested. Come on, camera, focus on the parts. Just interested in close-up details just to see kind of what Hikijin has going on here. So the top is leather too, so she's done the back scales with leather, which is just amazing. Try and get some feet for you. Just look at that. All the way down to the tail. I can't believe I own this. This is just stunning. Wow. this guy. Looks like it's just straight out of the game. Straight out of the game. Absolutely beautiful. Just, sorry, I'm flabbergasted. This thing is just stunning. Anyway, guys, I have nothing bad to say about Hikijin's art. I'm always in love with her work. It's honestly, there's nothing to fault. It's perfection at its finest. Like, where's the fault in this? This looks like you've literally grabbed it out of the game and plonked it into your hands and gone, that is now yours. Like, seriously, her skill is untouchable. It is so good. Anyway, I hope you guys all enjoyed the reveal and review of this magnificent masterpiece of the Hyper Carno. And I'll leave all her links down below. Please go check her out. I highly recommend it. All her art dolls are just flippin' amazing, and she makes a lot of dinosaurs. But this one is mine. This baby's mine. So yes, guys, we'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye!